Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by getting rice and eggs ready. Use 2 cups of cooled, day-old rice so grains separate. Beat 2 eggs with 1/4 teaspoon salt and chop a scallion. Measure 1 tablespoon soy and 1 tsp sesame oil. Heat 1 tablespoon neutral oil in a wok or large skillet until it shimmers. This prevents sticking and gives quick sear. Once the pan is hot, add a thin oil film, swirl, and pour in the beaten eggs to begin the first fast cook step. Once the eggs form soft curds, push them to the side so you free the hot center. This keeps them tender. Add the chilled rice in small clumps, then pour 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 teaspoon sesame oil across the pan. Use high heat to fry and evaporate moisture so grains stay separate. Toss aggressively with a spatula to coat each grain, then fold the eggs back through the rice, and add pre-cooked vegetables or proteins so everything finishes evenly and stays warm. You finish by tasting and adjusting. Sprinkle chopped scallion and add 1/2 teaspoon white pepper if you like heat. Drizzle a touch of sesame oil for aroma. Serve the fried egg rice immediately on warm plates so steam doesn't soften grains. Make sure to wipe the pan quickly while it cools to prevent residue buildup. If the rice comes out soggy, the main fix is use chilled, day-old rice and crank the heat so moisture evaporates faster. This simple tweak solves most texture problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.